already 7:30. Baka tayo malate. Dr. Joy, kamusta ang breakfast?
No? Okay. So the recording is very adjustable. So probably
How's your first day, Dr. Jingay?
We will listen
Yan ang aming madam.
and absorb.
Sarap yan, mani. May tsokolate yan kanina, kaya lang nasip-sip ko na. Ano ba yan?
ICEC
NCR Batch 43. Ito yung uniform namin ngayon, ang teal polo shirt. So, punta na tayo ngayon sa Grand West Side. I think it's already 7:30. It's already 7:30. Baka tayo malate. So, ito. Second floor. Second floor. Papunta tayo sa parking. Buti na lang tumigil yung ulan. Medyo kumalma-kalma na yung panahon ngayon. Pero kagabi, grabe. Tuloy-tuloy yung ulan. Nakala ko hindi matutuloy yung CEC ngayon. Medyo gumanda-ganda na. Pero makulimlim pa rin. Ito na ang ating parking. Uy, umuulan sa labas. OMG. So, dito na tayo sa Grand West Side Hotel. Okay.
Going upstairs?
Yep. Buti may parking pa. 5th floor. Morning. Good morning.
Dapat pala nakaayos.
Alam ko na dito na si Doc George.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Grabe na kayo.
Good morning.
Morning. Ikaw talaga pagka meron.
Si Doc Donna, mukhang bagong gising.
Oo nga, bagong kasi.
So, ayan ang registration for the first day of our PAED CEC Batch 43. Dito.
Ano oras na doon?
7:55.
Attendance po. Pa-complete na
Orientation last June
So,
20.
start na
Yes.
orientation.
So we are going to
Hi,
show the
Batch
orientation
43.
once again because our lecturer will start. Will be here before 9 o'clock and we will start the first lecture at 9. So we would like everyone to be informed
Morning,
about
Doc.
Parang medyo ano-ano pa rin, ano? Parang
Then,
breakfast
our
muna
14th
tayo.
president is Dr. Ricardo Gatbonton, PTA Dugong Bayani. No? So we were one of the awardees. And Dr. Ricardo...
So, Doc Joy, kamusta ang breakfast?
No? Okay. So the recording is very adjustable. So, partner by partner, kung sino yung katabi mo. Here in PAED, we are not actually endorsing any brands, no? We want you to try all the brands that we can get. At yan, that's all already
kamusta ang breakfast, Donna?
Final. So, kung meron kayong mamimiss out dyan, please approach your coordinators as
Si Doc Malu ang aming first lecturer.
So, again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating course coordinators, Dr. Virgilio Vasquez, Dr.
Salita ka.
Gerber, and Dr. Virginia Jingay.
with our scientific lectures, no? because Dr. Balu here, nagmamadali na siya.
Doc Alma.
Meron pang party later.
What can you say?
And then she's going to have a
I'm
very,
so
very long lecture for this day.
Parang kanta yun I with Miss Doc Mirna. Mami Mirna.
She has furthered her expertise through various courses, including UCLA Aesthetic Continuum Program. Our lecturer currently practices at the Renaissance Center
Aesthetic Dentistry. So I would want you to...
So how's our course director? Anong masasabi mo?
But this time, maybe
For the first day.
binayaran. So now we will listen
Yan ang aming madam.
and absorb. Probably
How's your first day, Doc Jingay?
bagay sa kanya sporty,
I'm very happy
sexy, or
because
sophisticated.
we only have like 3 but they're late. But 54 all in all, so 51 are already present. So I'm very, very, very grateful that everyone came on time, especially the coordinators, course coordinator, Dr. Bern, and our facilitators, including you,
Preference already. Or your preference.
Wow, including me. That's great.
This is our first mojo, so everybody's excited, and that shows even with the facilitators. They
So ultimately,
earlier
there's no formula for
fix
aesthetics.
things
Instead,
for
the final
everybody.
aesthetics is a combination of...
So they're now making their treatment plans, which is based from the cast, from the digital cast given. Ano yung kinakain mo?
Mani ni
Uy,
Gigi.
masarap yan, mani. May tsokolate yan kanina, kaya lang nasip-sip ko na. Kaya ano
ba yan?
So this will be our lunch for today. Mediterranean chicken salad. So fruits. Pasta. What's this? Mixed veggies. And beef stroganoff. Sarap. So each lunchtime, pila kami ni Doc Alma. Lunchtime.
Una na kami.
Ayan, ang pila ng food.
Mahirap mag-facilitate na.
Ano, Doc?
Mahirap mag-facilitate.
Ng gutom.
Yes.
After that, pag nag-MOA signing na tayo, di ba, parang courtesy call na rin yun eh. So, saka tayo
Lunch break.
mag-ano na rin sa...
So, it's lunch break. Dito muna tayo sa labas. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Habang nagla-lunch sila sa loob. So, 12:30 pa naman magre-resume yung class. So, relax muna. Yun. Ito ang Grand West Side Hotel.
Wax ups are crucial for
So,
aesthetics,
it's the second
function,
lecture
and
na
patient-centered outcomes.
about
They serve as a
wax
meeting
up
communication
and
and planning
mock-up.
tool for the patient and the dentist to visualize it to improve the efficiency and predictability of the restorations of the patient.
Students with the facilitators. Okay, Module 1 is done. Tapos na rin ang FASI duties namin. Tapos na rin ang FASI duties namin. So, pictorial na tayo. So, these are the doctors of batch 43 NCR. Ayan, ang mga nag-enroll sa PAED. CEC. So, pictorial muna kami. Pictorial muna. Ayan. Batch 43 NCR.
Yun, no?
First module done.
First module, yes.
CEC NCR Batch 43 Day 1. PAED
CEC
NCR Batch 43 Day 1. Our lecturer. So
Thank you po.
Ako naman, Doc Donna,
Doc Donna. Malakas kumain. Okay, tapos na ang ating first module for the PAED CEC NCR Batch 43. So, see you on my next vlog.
No.